Welcome to All Kids TV.
His love is in everything we do. Allahu, Allahu, our hearts belong to only you. The sun that shines, the sky so blue, the gentle rain and morning dew, the stars above that brightly glow, all remind us Allah we know. Allahu, Allahu, His love is in everything we do. Allahu, Allahu, our hearts belong to only you. He made the flowers, the buzzing bees, the flowing rivers and mighty trees, our family, friends, and life so sweet. Allah's blessings are a wondrous treat. Allahu, Allahu, His love is in everything we do. Allahu, Allahu, our hearts belong to only you. Pray to Allah both night and day, thanking Him in every way. He hears our prayers both big and small. Allah is the creator of all. Allahu, Allahu, His love is in everything we do. Allahu, Allahu, our hearts belong to only you. So sing His name so kind and true, forever grateful, Allah, to you. So sing His name so kind and true, forever grateful, Allah, to you.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.